So y'all, it's your boy Chosen One Rising, and I'm back with another video, man. Namaste, 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 family. You will leave with more love, guidance, and what balance in your life, man. Looking good, feeling good. The sun is hitting on me, man. Y'all see that melanin, man. Look, but today we're gonna talk about the right and wrong ways to use the past, bro. And this is very important, bro, because a lot of people don't know how to go about the past. You can use the past to feel you, but not let the past break you or make you anger, like make you feel. You shouldn't be feeling like anger towards the people when you working. Like, say if you're working out for people that said all of these things about you, you shouldn't feel anger. You can feel driven, but you have to know the difference between feeling driven and feeling anger. You know what I mean? Like you would know if you are angry while you're doing it, because you will probably end up you will really still feel some type of pain in your heart, like, you feel me? So first, I'm gonna go out the wrong ways to use the past. And the first one I'm gonna say, man, is holding grudges, man. Do not hold grudges with anybody. I know people may have made you mad, or people may have did some bad things to you, man. You have to learn how to forgive them, because sometimes it could be us. We was too fragile, we was too open-hearted, and we got ran the fuck over because that's the type of person we were. You know what I mean? Like I said, man, you can't be so nice and genuine to people, because you can be nice, but do not be so nice that you become a pushover, putting people before you, because I was putting people before me. You know what I mean? So that was my fault. Y'all have to take accountability while y'all doing that. Take accountability. Do not hold grudges with anybody. You know what I mean? Even if they don't apologize, man. Don't look for the apology, because you owe yourself a good life. You know what I mean? A good heart. Don't let, and that person out there living fine because they good. You not good. So you be holding that grudge, but the grudge is only hurting you. It's not hurting them, because they don't even care, bro. So you have to get you healed. Get you healed. Do not let any of that stuff hold you back, man. You have to stay true to yourself, man. Do not let any external things build up some type of negative, low vibrational stuff like that, man, because it will stop you, man. It will stop you. It will hold you back from actually achieving more than you're supposed to. The second one is letting what happened in the past hold you back, man. Do not let what happened in the past hold you back. Like, that's basically holding grudges. Another bad way to go about the past is letting what happened in the past prevent you, or assume that something's going to happen, but just because of the past. A lot of people that had their heart broken and stuff like that, man. Y'all got to realize that, okay, everybody isn't like that person. You know what I mean? Everybody isn't like that person, bro. It's different vessels. For different vessels, it's different egos, bro. Everybody isn't the same. Do not let, because your last partner did you wrong, that don't mean you carry that over to here and see that, okay, they did me wrong, so this person gonna do me wrong. No, that's not how it is, man. Don't assume, because it's never safe to assume, man. You know what I mean? I feel like, do not assume. Actually experience the person and go into the relationship or the situation with clear intentions, so that thing won't happen to you. You know what I mean? Because you really can prevent that type of stuff from happening to you, man. But you gotta just know your worth. That type of stuff holds you back, man. Don't let what happened with that person, your ex, make up what you got going on now. So what that basically mean is, just because your ex did you wrong, that don't mean you think that person that you are with, that you're gonna attract, is gonna do you wrong, unless y'all set that attention, right? You like, man, let me protect myself so I won't get hurt. And he probably cheating anyway. Whoop the whoop, whoop the whoop. You understand what I'm saying? Don't try to predict what the person is doing, bro. Don't come into a relationship with clear intentions, a clear mind, a clear, fresh new start. That's why it's called fresh new start, because you got to come in with a fresh mind, fresh body, fresh soul to attract that new abundance. You have to build those foundations within yourself first. And if you got that mindset from the last relationship, ain't nothing gonna change. You're gonna be in the same situation that you were in the first time, man. Third way to not go about the past, man, is regret, right? Do not regret anything that happens in the past, man. I know you probably, man, I should have pulled up on this girl, or I should have talked to this dude, or I should not did this dude wrong, or I should not did this girl wrong. Stuff like that, man. I should have did this, I should have did that, man. Do not regret anything, man, because it keeps you living in the past, man. You don't want to keep living in the past. You got to start somewhere, bro. You have to learn that so you can be here, bro. Everything that happened to you in the past happened for a reason, bro. You know what I mean? Not the best things happen to people. Some of the worst things happen to people, but everybody went through something worse, man. People went through better stuff. You're not the only person, bro. And a lot of people that go through stuff in the past, or they regret stuff in the past, man, they stay stuck right there, bro. Don't regret anything that happened to you, because that made you that beautiful person that you are now, that intelligent person that you are now, man. I bet you, just because you messed up back then, you're not supposed to have, look, bro, stuff happened for a reason, bro. Things happen for a reason. So if that person, you walk past that person, you wanted to pull up on them, man, you didn't, you weren't meant to be with that person, bro. If you were supposed to gamble or spend this money, bro, and you didn't, you weren't supposed to, bro. You had to live with your current reality, man. If you were supposed to get something from the store, you forgot it, man. Cool, bro. Don't regret anything. Nothing is that serious to be regretting, man, because you stay stuck. We in it now. That happened 3 seconds ago. It's not even now right now. That person is far gone, bro. You will run into better people. You will run into better opportunities. You would know what to do the next time. Don't regret anything. A lot of people would just be regretting what they did. Say if a person died or something like that, man. A lot of people just regret that the way they did it. But like, you just take this into the next situation if this happened to you. If you did a person wrong that passed away, bro, you know what I mean? All you can do is forgive yourself. Forgive yourself. Do not live in that past, because obviously, man, I would think that person forgave me. You know what I mean? You're not going to live a perfect life with the person. That person was doing things too, most likely. Say if the person could have been doing things too, bro. It's not completely your fault for how you did them. You did not know they were going to go. That's why I cherish everybody while I have them, bro. You're going to go through some ups and downs with everybody. You need pros and cons in a relationship. Feel me? So the right ways to use the past is look at every L as a lesson, bro. So when I say that every L that you went through, man, it's a lesson. You went through that for a reason, bro. You went through that for a reason. I told you had to go through that to be who you are now. You see, don't let it break you, but the right way is to look at it, man, like, man, that was an L, man. That's a lesson, bro. I learned from that. Michael Jordan said he never lost. He just learned lessons, bro. He never lost a game. He learned. Came back and went harder. That's what you gotta do. When you mess up, when you take an L, man, learn how to turn them 2 L's to a W, bro. Learn how to turn up. Learn how to get back to where you're supposed to be at, bro. Learn how to grind and get back to where you're supposed to be at, bro. Don't let one simple thing or one little L stop you from becoming who you truly are, bro. It's an L. We all go through them, man. That's the beauty of it. If you never lost, bro, you wouldn't even enjoy winning. Am I right? If you never was at a low point in your life, bro, you would never even truly celebrate the W's that you have, bro. Of course, I want to get accustomed to winning, bro, but you gotta, man. I've been low, bro. I've been low I've been at my low points, man, but I'm happy now. You feel me? That's all it's about. Embracing that true happiness, man. Using the past. Oh, I took an L, man. Man, me taking W's from here on out, man. Learning each time. The second way that I would say that you should use the past, the right ways that you should use the past, man, is to use it to drive you. Like I said, bro, you gotta use it to drive you, man. I understand it's never the point of proving anybody else wrong, but proving yourself right. Getting the life that you deserve, bro. You know what I mean? You may feel like you can't do this or you can't have that. You can have anything that you want. Use what people said about you to fuel you. You shouldn't hate them people. But you can dislike what they said and transmute it and turn it to a positive, true action of yourself. If they say that you're not gonna make the NBA and then you make the NBA, what you think they saying? Oh, he probably ain't that good. They gonna hate you regardless. People gonna hate you if you do good or bad, bro. Your goal should never try to impress people, because people gonna hate you and talk about you regardless. You could be the bummiest person. They gonna say, oh, this man dirty as hell. You could be the richest person. Oh, this man cocky as hell. Waiting to talk about you, bro. You can't let what people say determine who you can be, man. And your true passion and what you can truly, authentically be, bro. What they say, use it to drive you. Use it to drive you, because look, bro, we all go through things, man. We all go through things, bro. And we all have to learn how to grow from these things, so they can't stop us, bro. Because they can't stop us. Haters can't stop us unless you allow them to, man. It's that simple, bro. The last way, bro, to forgive and release what no longer serves you, bro. So, you have to just know this, man. You have to release these things from you, bro. Use the past. If something happened to you in the past, release it, because it's the past. If you stay in the past tense, you're going to stay in the past tense. You're going to have the same mindset from the past tense. You're going to be doing the same thing from the past tense. So how's something supposed to change, bro? How? You got to really want it for yourself, man. If you love yourself enough, you're going to leave whatever that toxic stuff in the past, bro. Take accountability for your actions. Don't be a victim, bro. Take accountability. It happened? Cool. What can we do to move on? Not to stay mad at this person that don't even give a fuck if we mad. You feel me, bro? Y'all can love yourself enough, man. Stop with that BS, bro. Love yourself enough to let these motherfuckers go. Let yourself love yourself enough to leave the past in the past, man. Grow from it, man. The wrong way to use it is to let what happened in the past prevent you, or try to assume what's going to happen with the next person or the next relationship, regretting. And also look at every experience as a lesson. You know what I mean? Use the past to grind from it. Forgive what no longer serves you, bro, because it's not gonna do nothing but hold us back. Hey, I love y'all, man. It's your boy Chosen One Rising. And I'm gone, man. I love y'all. Chosen One Rising, signing out, man.